Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Samsung SmartThings Find service step by step clearly. Open your smartphone and locate the SmartThings app. If you haven't installed the app, go to the Google Play Store or Apple App Store to download it. Once installed, tap on the SmartThings app icon to open it. Log in using your Samsung account credentials. If you don't have an account, select the option to create a new account and follow the prompts. After logging in, look for the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Devices tab to view all your connected devices. Next, locate the SmartThings Find option either in the menu or on the main screen. Tap on SmartThings Find to access the service. You will see an overview of SmartThings Find and its features. Look for the Get Started or Start button and tap on it. Follow the on-screen prompts to enable location services if you haven't already. You may need to grant permission for the app to access your location. Once location services are enabled, you will see a list of devices associated with your account. Select any devices you want to track using the SmartThings Find service. Review the terms and conditions presented, and if you agree, accept them. You can now use the service to locate your devices. Explore the features offered by SmartThings Find, including the map view and alerts. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section within the app for assistance. You are now ready to use SmartThings Find to keep track of your Samsung devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.